Hello students, we are here again with another new lesson which is about frustum. So to start with, let's see the following figures. So when we see these figures, we know that these figures are neither a cone nor a cylinder. These kinds of figures are called as frustum, and frustum means a part. Here the part taken out is from a cone, so this will be called as frustum of a cone. If we cut the upper portion of the cone and take the lower portion, then we get this structure, which is what we call as frustum of a cone. In frustum, there are two radius, a bigger radius and a smaller radius, and two heights. One is the slant height and another is the regular height, the perpendicular height. And some of the formulas related to frustum are surface area, TSA, the total surface area, volume of frustum, slant height of frustum. By using these formulas, we will try to solve some questions based on your textbook. So let's see what questions we can solve by using these formulas. So here in exercise 13.4, question number 1. The question says a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of a cone of height 14 cm. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 cm and 2 cm. Now find the capacity of the glass. So according to the question, the diameter for the upper circle, that is the bigger circle, is 4 cm, and the diameter for the lower circle, that is the end of the glass, is 2 cm, and the height is 14 cm. So to solve the question, here are the givens. That radius r is 2 cm. We are taking here the capital R, means the bigger radius. R is 2 cm because the bigger diameter was 4 cm. And the radius for the end of the glass is 1 cm. And the height is 14 cm. Now if we apply that volume of a frustum, so the volume of the glass will be 1/3 of pi h to the whole of r square plus r square, plus again the multiplication of the two radius. Now here if you put the values for the capital R, means the bigger radius, the smaller radius, height, and the value for pi is 22/7, we can get the capacity of the glass. Again in question number 2, we have the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm, and the perimeters, means the circumference of its circular ends, are 18 cm and 6 cm. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. So in this question number 2, instead of giving the radius, the two circular ends circumference are given. The bigger circumference is 18 cm and the smaller circumference, this circumference is given as 6 cm, and the slant height is given as 4 cm. And we know to find the CSA of a frustum, we need the two radius and the slant height. But the two radius are not given. Instead of giving the two radius, the two circumference are given. So from these two given circumference, we will try to find the radius. So how do we find the radius from the circumference? Check this out. So in the given, the circumference 1, the C1 is given as 18 cm. The circumference 2 is given as 6 cm, and the slant height L is 4 cm. So by using C1, C1 means the circumference 1, means the first circumference, is 18 cm. The formula for the circumference of a circle is twice pi r, but here I am taking this r as the capital R because we have two circumference, and to differentiate between the two radius, for the bigger circumference I am taking the bigger radius, means the capital R. So twice pi r equals to 18. From here by putting the value for pi as 22/7, you can get this, the bigger radius. Similarly, from the C2, you can get this smaller radius. Now once you have these two radius, so the CSE of the frustum will be pi to the whole of r plus rl. So put the pi value as 22/7, radius r is the one which you get from here, put it that, and then the small r also put it here, and then slant height is already given 4 centimeter, and that's how we can get the CSE of this frustum. So this is how we solve these two questions, and if you understand the explanation, try to solve some of the questions by own self. And if you have any difficulties or doubt, always you can clear with me again.